like someone's crazy, you say uko na kichwa ngumu.
Like break that down, okay?
Uko na
kichwa
ngumu. Like you have a hard head.
No, gumu.
No, ngumu. Ngumu, not ungumu, like ngumu. Like ngumu.
Like ngumu.
Not ngumu. Ngumu, just say ngumu.
Gumu.
Yeah, like that. What's up, guys? It's your girl.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs here, back with another video for you all. Get anything I'm just say?
Yeah.
What did I just say?
It's your boy Ty, and I'm back again with it.
Oh, this I'm back again. Anyways, today we are here with a special guest. This guest is from all the way in Kenya. Okay?
All the way from Kenya.
This guest is all the way from Kenya. I'm gonna leave all that in. So today she'll be teaching me some Swahili, which is the language, one of the language spoken in Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a little slow, guys. This is my Google Translator right here. My autocorrect. Every time I make a mistake, she corrects me. Oh, now I have an audience around there. Anyways, so okay, guys. So before the big
video.
Okay, guys, so before the video begins, please like and comment and be sure to subscribe if you're new.
And turn on the post notification to be notified every time he posts.
Yeah. Now, she has a channel which is going to be linked in the description below. What's your channel name?
It's Becky.
It's Becky.
It's basic.
It's basic. Okay, so you guys know what to do. Go and check her out. You understand me? If you want a Kenyan. Yeah. Now I'm gonna learn some Swahili. Now what are you gonna teach me?
Whatever you
the
want to
basics
learn.
first. So.
Okay, so when someone says if it's hi, you say sasa.
If it's hi.
Sasa, like we speak ghetto Swahili.
Ghetto. Okay.
Swahili.
No, wait. Like if it's hi, what's hi? What if what's hi? If I am hi or
sasa.
What do you mean?
Sasa. Like hi is sasa.
Oh, if I see you out there say sasa.
Yeah.
Oh, I say if it's hi, I thought you were something. I just always say sasa. So I'm gonna say sasa.
Yeah, sasa.
Okay.
Then that's the ghetto Swahili.
Oh, sasa is ghetto.
Yeah, like
so
that one we were learning for ourselves.
Oh, okay.
Then the actual Swahili that we speak is habari.
Okay.
That's the actual like
hi. So habari. Yeah. Habari. So I need to learn the actual one and not the ghetto one. Just in case I need to go to Kenya or probably get a Kenyan girlfriend someday. Yeah.
You should go and you should go to them. Mostly people come for wildlife in my country. Wildlife. And to go to the coastal areas.
Okay. Yeah, same thing in Jamaica, right? Yeah.
But yours is surrounded by water.
You can take us to Lion King too.
No, what was it called? What was that again?
Sasa.
No, not the ghetto one. The
habari.
Okay, habari. Continue.
Habari.
So I see. I'm gonna say habari.
No, just say sasa. Habari. So.
Sasa habari.
No. Just say sasa. Habari is like the actual Swahili, but I just don't like that one. Like it's too. We call it Swahili sanifu.
Okay, sasa Becky.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so if you want to say hi to your mom, if you want to say hi to my mom, you say mama is mother.
So sasa mama?
No, you say sasa mama Becky.
Sasa mama Becky. Oh, so you say mom before you say Becky. You say Becky mama.
No.
You say no. You say like you would say mother Becky instead of saying Becky mother.
Yeah.
Or Becky's mother. So you say mama Becky.
Yeah.
So sasa mama Becky.
Yeah, that's. And if you wanna say hi to my dad, you say sasa baba Becky.
Baba
Becky.
Why not Papa? You're a horrible teacher. She was like, boy. Okay, so
But
Sasa,
I don't know, we don't
Sasa
say that.
Mama Becky, Sasa Baba.
Baba, yeah.
Baba Becky.
And if
But
you
it's like
wanna,
you're calling your dad a girl if you call your dad Becky. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You call him like Father Becky.
Yeah.
For instance.
Yeah. Father Becky. Baba Becky.
and then if you want like someone,
Say I woke up, say I woke up this morning and I saw my mom and I want to say good morning, mom.
habari ya asubuhi. Habari ya asubuhi.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Baria
Asubuhi.
asubuhi. Habaria asubuhi.
Yeah.
So what did I just say?
Like
Good morning.
how was your
I didn't ask. I said if I saw
good
my
morning, yeah.
It
If you
means
saw
that
your
was
mom and
so
you,
habaria asubuhi.
yeah, and you saw your mom when you wake up and you want to tell her good morning, you say habari ya asubuhi.
Habaria asubuhi. Okay.
But I just say good morning because I don't like.
Did you know that I don't remember one thing you guys just told me?
Mhm.
I don't remember one thing you just told me. What's the first thing you said? Hi, Suelo.
What?
How do you say hi?
Sasa.
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 How could you forget?
Sasa. Okay, continue. What else?
Okay, so if someone's crazy, you say uko na kichwa ngumu.
We're gonna break that down for you, okay?
Uko na
Kichwa
ngumu.
gumu.
Like you have a hard head.
No, gumu.
Ngumu. No, ngumu. Ngumu.
Gumu.
Ngumu.
Ungumu.
Ngumu.
Ungumu.
Ngumu, not ungumu, like ngumu. Like ngumu.
Ngumu.
Like and ngumu.
Not ngumu. Ngumu. Just say ngumu.
Gumu.
Yeah, like that. So it means that
It's a crazy person, basically. You would say.
you can say it's a crazy person, or you can just tell it's basically like you're saying you have a hard head.
Hard head, like me right now. Okay. So.
Okay.
No, go back to let's say.
Sasa.
No, not that.
Habari
Okay, let's start from
asubuhi.
scratch. Okay, Sasa.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Habari asubuhi.
And uko na kichwa ngumu.
Why?
No, when someone is okay, so uko na kichwa ngumu is basically like when someone is when someone like you're telling them to do something but they don't listen, so you're like uko na kichwa ngumu, like like you have a hard
Okay.
like yours, yeah. That's it.
Then
You want
teach me
anything
some
you want to
simple
learn?
basic words like beautiful and you don't know beautiful.
I know. Oh, beautiful is unakaa poa. Unakaa poa. Like you look beautiful.
Okay. Unakapua.
You think it's Spanish. People in school think it's Chinese.
What?
Someone can hear una and think that's Chinese.
No, like the way we speak. Now you see when I'm speaking with my dad, since I know how to speak fluent Swahili, so I speak so fast. So that people think we're speaking Chinese.
No, I think it's Spanish. I thought it was Spanish.
What?
Yeah, even what's his name again? Shaquille thought it was Spanish.
Yeah.
Spanish, but it's Swahili.
So beautiful is again. You're beautiful. What do you say?
Unakaa poa.
Unakapua.
Unakaa poa.
In Spanish now I would say me unakapua. Unakapua, Becky. That's all right? What do you say, friend?
Rafiki.
Rafiki.
You've not watched
Lion King.
Lion King?
I watched it.
Rafiki. You don't remember the character Rafiki?
I slept through it. It was
The
boring.
bamboo with
It was
the-
boring to me.
The bamboo.
No, it's Rafiki's friend.
Hakuna ma. Alright, yeah.
Hakuna Matata, no worry.
Okay, so say adios and goodbye, I should say. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Kwaheri.
Kwaheri. Me. Subscribers. I am a hard smack.
This should be bloopers. You should do a bloopers that when you...
I'm not gonna take nothing out. They say Kwaheri.
Kwaheri, yeah, Kwanana is bye and see you tomorrow or something.
Kwanana.
When you like when I tell you Kwaheri,
I say Kwanana.
you're supposed to say you're supposed to say Kwaheri ya Kwanana.
So Kwaheri ya Kwanana.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
You're supposed to say Kwaheri ya Kwanana. Why are you so tall?
Guys, that's it. If you want to see a part 2, smash that like button and remember to go check out our channel. Okay, she'll be commenting. I'll be pinning her comment. Make sure you comment on the video. And you can get her link in the description also. I'll see you guys in another video. It's been your boy Tai Tai.
Peace.
Peace.